Nostrum Oil and Gas is an independent oil and gas exploration and production enterprise listed on the London Stock Exchange, with its operations in northwestern Kazakhstan, close to the border with Russia. Our principal license area is the Chinarevskoye field, which covers 274 square kilometers and employs over 800 people globally. Our other assets include the Rostoshinskoye field, the Darzhinskoye field, and the Yuzhno-Gramiashenskoye field, which are all located in the vicinity of the company's gas treatment facility. This short film will give you a unique perspective on the infrastructure we've built and how we use it to extract, separate, and transport our hydrocarbon products. According to our most recent reserves audit in January 2013, the Chinarevskoye field alone has over 500 million barrels of oil equivalent of 2P reserves. These reserves result in the production of 4 products: crude oil, stabilized condensate, LPG, and dry gas. The first step to production is drilling. We have 2 types of wells within our field: crude oil wells and gas condensate wells. They range from depths of 2,000 to 5,500 meters. Close to 60 wells have been drilled since 2004. Crude oil wells produce a high-quality, light, sweet crude oil. The crude oil extracted from these wells is sent to the oil treatment facility via flow lines. Once the oil has passed through the treatment unit, it's ready for transportation to the final off-taker. Gas condensate wells produce a bubbly, champagne-like mix of hydrocarbons, which need to be separated and treated to produce stabilized condensate, LPG, and dry gas. This process is carried out in the company's state-of-the-art gas treatment facility. The gas treatment facility allows Nostrum Oil and Gas to treat 1.7 billion cubic meters of raw gas with the facility's existing 2 trains. The gas treatment facility is staffed by approximately 250 employees who are highly specialized in operating gas plants. It's operated 24 hours a day with round-the-clock teams constantly monitoring the plant's performance. Everything has been built and is operated to the highest standards. A 3rd train to the gas treatment facility is currently under construction. It will more than double existing production levels. It's expected to be fully operational by the end of 2016. Nostrum Oil and Gas owns and operates the key portions of its transportation logistics. It runs its own 120-kilometer crude oil and stabilized condensate pipeline from its facilities to its own railway terminal. Crude oil and stabilized condensate are loaded onto rail tanks and distributed to refineries and off-takers in various countries. Both the pipeline and rail terminal are capable of doubling their current volume. LPG is carried in special bullets by trucks to the rail terminal, where they're loaded onto rail cars to their final destination. Dry gas, a byproduct from the gas treatment facility, is sent from the field to the connection point with the Orenburg-Novopskov gas pipeline through the company's own 17-kilometer pipeline. Overall production at Chinarevskoye currently runs above 45,000 barrels of oil equivalent per day. Approximately half the production is made up of liquids and half is dry gas. Nostrum Oil and Gas has built a strong operational platform in Kazakhstan. In addition to 90% of the company's workforce being Kazakh, Nostrum Oil and Gas also places a very high degree of importance on investing in its local community, including investment in roads and other infrastructure, in addition to sponsoring social activities and charity work. Initially investing over $1.2 billion successfully over 7 years from 2004 to 2011, we're now in the process of repeating this exercise. This is only made possible due to the excellence of the operational team. The same team will be driving the future growth in investment and infrastructure. This effort will lead to a doubling of production by the end of 2016.